Hi guys, and welcome back to the Cocktail Vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm showing you how to make a paper plane. So the paper plane was originally made by Sam Ross. He's very well known for also making the Penicillin. This cocktail was first created in 2007 at the Violet Hour in Chicago, and then a year later they started making it at Milk and Honey in New York City. So the original recipe was Campari, but then he later changed it to Aperol. So I'll be interested to try the other recipe as well. And please note that the original recipe also calls for Amaro Nonino. I've substituted that for Montenegro. A, it's cheaper. B, I think it's a good substitute. And C, it's more readily available for you guys at home. It is a last word variation, even though that pretty much every single ingredient is substituted in comparison to the last word recipe, which I'll link to right here. I had one of these at a local bar about a week or two ago, and it reminded me I should make another one. So I'm going to start off with my whiskey. I'm just using bullet bourbon and measuring out 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 ml for all my ingredients. So another equal part cocktail. Can't go wrong. Amaro Montenegro. I'll get that later. And Aperol. 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce, thanks to Craig and Laura. Speaking of which, by the back bar feature, I do have about 6 bottles on the way, so I'll be featuring those in some upcoming videos. Now I've got fresh lemon juice, 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. And then fill the shaker with ice and give it a good shake. Then strain it into your chilled stemmed cocktail glass. I prefer using a Nicanora. And garnish with a lemon twist. There you have a paper plane variation. Cheers. It's not overly bitter. Yeah, the bitterness is just subtle. It's not too sweet, and you get kind of like the bitterness comes from either a bit of orange or grapefruit, and it's a little bit of a kick from that whiskey. A super tasty cocktail. I'll make sure to make it again with the Amaro Nonino and also Campari, and do a video about it and pretty much let you know which I think is the best of them all. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.